Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play the classic Pokémon Black and White games right on your iPhone. It's a fantastic way to revisit these beloved adventures. We'll cover everything from choosing the right tools to getting the game up and running smoothly. You'll learn about emulators, which are special applications that mimic a Nintendo DS, and how to find the game files. Make sure your device has at least 500 megabytes of free space for the game and emulator. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a great experience. There are several options out there, some completely free and others requiring a small purchase. When making your selection, always look for applications with strong user reviews and a history of regular updates. Key features to consider include the ability to save your game at any point, known as save states, and customizable on-screen controls. Delta and INDS are often recommended for iPhone users, offering excellent performance. Next, you'll need the game itself, which comes in a file called a ROM. Think of a ROM as a digital version of the physical game cartridge. The most legal way to obtain a ROM is by creating one from a game you already own. While many websites offer ROM downloads, it's important to proceed with caution and ensure you're using reputable sources. Always verify that the ROM file you download is compatible with the specific emulator you've chosen for your iPhone. Now for the exciting part, getting everything set up and playing. First, install your selected emulator application onto your iPhone. Once that's done, you'll need to transfer the Pokémon Black or White ROM file to your device. This can often be done through cloud services or direct file transfer. Open the emulator, navigate to where you saved the ROM, and load it. Adjust the on-screen controls to your liking, and you're ready to embark on your classic Pokémon journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.